Lacey from the Slot Ladies. I just wanted to wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day on behalf of all of us with the Slot Ladies and the Big Jackpot. And I wish you many big boons in everybody's room.
Hey, happy Valentine's Day from the Big Jackpot.
And the Slot Ladies.
And for Valentine's Day, we're going to do a little heartthrob. And we'll start with $1,000, and we're either going to double it or lose it.
Find out.
Hopefully this will be our Valentine's Day surprise. All right. Maybe we should play. Sort of $12.50 a spin. All right, you hit it.
Hit it, touch it. Good luck.
Give me another luck. We need 3 moons.
Valentine's Day mojo.
Your turn. I thought you're supposed to be my lucky Valentine.
I'm not lucky. It's not going very well at all.
Where's our little Cupid? Where is that little guy?
It's a slow warm up.
Alright. One of us is gonna get this thing.
There.
Finally, I like that. Not bad. $5 back.
Yeah.
Come on. Alright, you're done.
Now it's eating it.
All the hearts? You need some love?
No, it's not giving us any Valentine's Day love.
Ah, the mini. Thank you guys for all watching us on the Big Jackpot. It's Valentine's Day. I hope your Valentine's is going great. If I could get 6 little hearts, mine would be incredible. Or 3 moons over Miami. 3 more. You go.
Nothing.
Anything over $100,000 will get you a giant ring.
A giant ring.
Any kind of ring you want.
Any of them. All right. Thanks. Don't want that big.
That big? Oh, alright. 100,000 is all we need.
All we
Come
need.
on.
You just have to hit the grand 13 times.
Come on. 2 moons. So close. I feel like it's coming. All I do know is if we don't double this, you're not going to be my Valentine anymore.
It's not very nice. I'm already here. I do not have time to go find a new Valentine. We're already at the casino.
Well, you better hope for the big boom.
Come on, Heartthrob. Get it together. I'm getting canceled for Valentine's Day.
We're going to hit something soon. I'm not going to be able to afford roses.
No roses.
No roses, no hearts. This may be the only roses you see are these 2 on the screen.
I need more than 2 on there.
At least it does.
Fill the whole screen with them.
Roses for days. Oh, Heartthrob, where are you? Alright, your turn.
I'll try. Push the button.
Come on!
I won you like 50 cents.
That's good. That's $5. Yeah, but at least nothing.
Thought about it.
Almost. It was almost like there was potential.
It was. The wind up and no sound.
Come on. Something. find me a new Valentine.
I think I have a bad luck Valentine. Not helping.
So close. Alright, press the gold. Lucky chance.
Play?
Oh, you don't get it. We're done. Well,
Wish
that's
me luck,
it.
everybody.
Best of luck.
I'm gonna have like an hour to find a new Valentine if this doesn't
You didn't.
pan out.
You didn't even get
No,
it.
I got nothing?
You got nothing.
Nothing.
You destroyed us.
I've been canceled
Ruined
on
us.
Valentine's Day. I've ruined Valentine's
You've been
Day.
canceled.
Fired.
Well, it's nice knowing you.
You too?
I hope we meet again
Yes, someday.
one day.
Someday. Maybe next Valentine's Day.
Well, why are you still here?
I'll go. I'm gonna go play my slot ladies game.
Yeah. Why don't you?
It's being way nicer than Hard Rock.
Oh, look.
It's second place.
Oh, good job. I hope you find true
See you
love.
later. I'm gonna go find it. 3 seats
Good
down.
luck.
Looks like they're hitting jackpots over there.
Oh. Well, I'm gonna go 4 sheets down the other way.
Alright.
Goodbye.
Bye.
And happy Valentine's Day for the Big Jackpot. Boom. It's speaking in front of Parliament coming up very soon over in the UK. We're calling on a cruise 3.0 to Alaska. That'd be fun. One more. Come on. Yes. All right. Here we go. $7.50 for days. $2.25 to start. Let's lock them up. Yes. There we go. Another $100 because that last one was awful. $3.25. There we go. Nice. Come on. Yes. Nice. $200 for the pot. Ah. $700 minimum. Please forget it, bonuses. All I can say. Time for the big bonus. Alright guys, this is gonna be it. So you gotta do something here. 2 spins left. Oh my god. Oh my god. We did it. Nice. 20. Here it is. Finally. That's just like hitting the major. Without the major. 20. Oh my god. Come on. Connect. Drop the major down. There we go. Alright, 2 more. Alright. Finally a big chip. Come on. Alright. There it is. Boom, boom, boom. $27.50. Boom, boom. want a substitute. That's how we roll.